What's up, JG Nation? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. It's your boy JG. A lot of people have been messaging me why I haven't been uploading, and I wasn't really going to talk about this, but once I started getting these messages, I found out that a lot of people do care, and so it's because of you guys I want to make this video. So basically, if you guys recall the last video that I did, which was the JG Investigates, I started getting a lot of hate from dealers themselves, and I was surprised by that. A few dealers started hating at me after I did that JG Investigates video. Not everybody, some of them were in support, but those few did hate not only on YouTube, but they were spewing hate also in the real life. And so I basically kind of got into this mood where I didn't want to do any more videos, and I actually just wanted to quit YouTube completely. The main reason is because I've been doing YouTube now for about 13 years, doing videos for Metro PCS. I've helped millions of Metro PCS customers make a better decision on buying a phone and also plans for Metro and other prepaid carriers. If I was going to receive this type of reaction for something that I felt was the mistake on behalf of Metro, because if you think about it, and if you've seen the videos already, if you have a vague policy at Metro and you allow your employees to pick who they can be nice to and who they can be strict to, you kind of leave some leeway for employee themselves to discriminate on people who they like or they don't like. And that shouldn't be good. If you have a policy like they were doing in the video, you should do it across the board for everybody, not just certain people. Anyways, I basically thought about it, and I should have not let it get under my skin. I should have just brushed it off and let it go. And because at the end of the day, this YouTube channel, it didn't happen overnight. I've spent years and years since about 2013 working on it, and I put a lot of hard work. So getting to about 50,000 subscribers wasn't easy, and I shouldn't just let it go like that. So I decided to diversify my content. I'm going to be uploading different content about different gadgets, different devices, not just specifically prepaid carriers in 2019. I want to hear back from you guys. What do you recommend I should do? Any advice, any videos that you would like to see? Please let me know down in the comment section below. I also have a Discord. If you have a Discord, join us in the community and the community tab on the YouTube channel itself. Last but not least, I really want to thank you guys for allowing me to be here. Without you guys, I really won't be making these videos. Thank you, JG Nation, and see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.